Hi, my name is Philip Gutierrez and I'm the Regional Product Manager at Kensington, specifically for our docking station categories and our security category. I'm here today to discuss our VeriMark Fingerprint reader. When you first get your VeriMark reader, you're obviously going to get something that looks just like this. It's going to be in a retail package, really small form factors you see, no bigger than an inch or so. And essentially what you're going to need to make sure you double check is that your device is Windows compatible, right? So this is not today compatible with Mac OS, so keep that in mind when you look to purchase our VeriMark reader. And after that, from there, it's a pretty simple setup. All you have to do is go on kensington.com, download a necessary driver, and then you're all ready to go. More importantly is if you decide that you would like to use it for Windows Hello purposes, all you'd have to do is go into your program files and update accordingly, like as if you're updating your password for your device, and from there you'd be able to add your fingerprint reader to access your Windows host device. And then on the opposite side of the spectrum is if you decide that you would like to use this for FIDO specific support, obviously what you could do there is just make sure you work with whatever service you like that supports FIDO U2F. So for example, a Gmail, Facebook, stuff like that, you could essentially use our VeriMark reader to also access those services as well.